Who tells the Igbo story when the world misunderstands them? Who tells the story when even our own children are beginning to forget? Ndi Igbo are a people of memory, dignity, enterprise, courage, and deep civilization. Yet, too often, the Igbo story has been distorted, reduced, politicized, or left untold. Our history, our values, our language, our sacrifices, our future. That is why Ndi Igbo VIVA exists. Ndi Igbo VIVA exists to defend Igbo dignity, to teach Igbo truth, to build a serious global voice for Ndi Igbo. From our history to our identity, from our homeland to the diaspora, Ndi Igbo VIVA is a platform for truth, clarity, and direction. In Ndi Igbo VIVA, we defend, we teach, we build. Subscribe now and join this great mission.